You're going to double the wire up, wrap it around, and through. Fill the details of this is what we're after. Around and through again. You can do a single wrap, but apparently it is not as strong. It also doesn't have to be particularly neat at this point. Then you will take this tool, make sure you go over the, make sure you go over both sets of posts. Like that. And then usually 3 or 4 wraps will do it onto these. And tighten it up. Adjusting it as you do so. So that everything is straight. I've been adjusting it until the wires dig in down below the surface of the rubber. And then what you do is since the wires are on top of this front pin, you flip it. And hopefully that does not come out. Oh, that's what I did. Put that underneath. Okay, there we go. Make sure no other wires are on top of the front pin, and then flip and cut and push them down. Trim them off, bend them down further, and you are done.